Hi, welcome to another live trading session with Optionables. I am Saket and today we are going to take a look at the trade review of trades taken on 7th of April 2021, Wednesday. So today was a day where we had the RBI policy and the policy announcement came in around 10 a.m. So the policy was more or less unchanged, and the policy was unchanged, and the commentary was more or less dovish by the RBI governor, and post which the market started shooting up. So we also entered the trade at 10 a.m. But we were little late. We didn't exactly enter at 10 a.m. We were 15 minutes late because we wanted the policy to get over and we wanted to see how the markets would react to the same. So we entered our trade at around 10:30. So the recording of the trade started little late because we didn't start the recording immediately. So we started around 11 o'clock. So we entered the trade around 10:30 and we had quite good amount of profits in the beginning itself. So the market was pretty volatile. So after the policy, it shot up around 300 points, came down, again shot up around 300 points. So the market was very volatile in the first half. But in spite of the market being so volatile, it was hovering around the range of 32,800 to 32,900. So we had done a 32,800 short straddle in the morning, and first the markets fell and the PE prices had gone up quite a lot, and we were at a loss of around 10-20,000. But later what happened was the market shot up back, and when the market shot up, so the profits came back and the market sort of more or less consolidated around the range of 30 to 800 itself till around 12:30 p.m. So when this happened, it gave a beautiful theta decay as well as there was a Vega drop as well. So because the volatility started decreasing after the policy, and this helped us almost have a M2M of almost 40 to 45,000 in the beginning itself. And then around 12:30 we took one more short straddle, and again at 1 o'clock we took another short straddle. At 12:30 we took a short straddle at 33,000 because the markets had already shot up by then, and we also took one more short straddle at 1 p.m. at 33,200. So 1 p.m. short straddle and 12:30 short straddle also started to work really well in the beginning, and our M2M crossed around 1.2 to 1.3 lakh. So everything was going well, but later what happened was the market started crashing down. So from 33,200, the markets almost came to 32,850. So a crash of almost 350 points in a matter of just 15 minutes. So when this fall came, the stop loss on the PE side, which we took at 1 o'clock, that is 33,200, that got triggered. So when the stop loss got triggered, our M2M fell all the way from 1.1 to 1.2 lakh to 10,000. So we lost almost 1 lakh worth of M2M just in a matter of 15 to 20 minutes. But we realized that, so we added small bit of discretionary trade here. We realized that, okay, so the market is taking some support at 800 to 900. So we might not see a big crash coming from here, because we do see it showing some sort of strong momentum on the upside, because we personally expected the market to head up after RBI policy, because Bank Nifty had first of all corrected quite a lot. So post which we interfered in the system and it shorted some more PE. Even though the PE hit the stop loss, we shorted some quantity of PE, and 2 o'clock we did one more short straddle, and from then on we started adding small quantities of short straddles over and over again. So now we had quite a lot of short straddle at 33,000, 33,100, and we also had a few legs open at 33,200, 32,800. So we had quite a lot of things. We also did the P short at 30,500. So this during the last session gave an excellent theta decay, and the entire day was consolidated. After the first half, the entire day there was a huge consolidation, and there was excellent theta decay towards the end. and our profits from all the way from 10,000, that is after the crash it had come to 10,000. From there it shot up to almost 3.2 lakhs. So there was a great theta decay which we could gain from, and we ended the trade around 2.8 lakhs. So that was for trading on Wednesday. So tomorrow is an expiry day, and it is really crucial for us because we are mainly expiry day traders. So that's for today's video, and please do like, share and subscribe to Optionables, and also make sure you can join the Telegram group, follow us on Instagram as well as Twitter. The links for the same is in the description below. Hope you have liked the video, and I'll be catching you soon in the next video, that is tomorrow, and we'll see how the trading on expiry day goes. Thank you so much for joining.